Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download from Telegram. So let's start. First of all, over here you can see I am here in my mobile screen. I'll tap on this Telegram and you can see my Telegram app is open. Now I'll tap on any channels over here. For now, I'll go with these 4K clips. Now you can see here are different medias over here. Now to download any one from here, just tap on it. And you can see here is clip which I'm gonna download. To download, tap on these three dots on the top right and tap on this save to gallery. And you can see here video is saved. If I go back and go to my gallery over here, you can see I am here in my gallery of Telegram. You can see this is the clip which I recently downloaded. So in this way we can download from Telegram. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.